Alright guys, today we got a Kwikset deadbolt. It's 5 pins. Here's the key. First I'm going to bump it and then I'm going to pick it. So here we go, here's a bump key. There we go, it's bumped. And now I'm going to pick this with a short hook. Just putting it in this stand right here makes it more like real life picking, as if it were mounted, so short hook. And a twist flex wrench. I'm just going to put my hand back here to hold it. There we go, open. That was way faster than I normally ever do it, so I'm just going to do it again for fun. There are actually all 5 pins in there. This just came out of the box. Well, maybe I should have kept the video like that. So yeah, now this thing's being a pain in the ass. There we go. So yeah, sometimes it opens really easily, other times it takes a couple tries, but overall it's not a very hard lock to pick. So there you go, Kwikset.